Good afternoon, everyone. Curry College 2 for the forecast. Let's take a look at the GFS Ensembles 500 millibar pattern for next week. It's going to be getting very, very hot in the northeastern Great Lakes, so we're going to be talking about how that's going to evolve here in this video. So anyway, here's the 12Z GFS for next Wednesday, the 13th. You can see the big ridge that's going to get fired up. So here's next Wednesday. Here's next Thursday. Here's next Friday. You can see that ridge, and here's next Saturday, and then this may begin to break down, maybe a trough that comes up, but you can see the overall idea of it being warm and very, very warm, even beyond that, going out 10 days and maybe even 11 days. So you can see that the anomaly, then the height field here, that there's going to be some big heat. And just to say, the 12Z European hits 100 to 105 degrees in all of much of southern New England, away from the coast, and basically much of Massachusetts, and that's up on Twitter and Facebook. The European 100, 105 degrees, and next Saturday and Sunday in southern New England, away from the coast. And there's certainly a higher probability of that happening than the past couple of runs, seeing that, again, the other models are starting to come to agreement with this period, that this is going to be a very, very warm period. So here again is day 8. Here's the 850 temperatures right here. You can see the warmth here, and you can see day 9 and day 10 look like that. And you can see the one-day average temperatures look like that. So, I mean, this is a very, very warm pattern we're going into. I think day 6, 7. It really starts day 6 next Wednesday and Thursday, and it goes until next weekend. So next Wednesday to at least next Saturday and Sunday look very, very warm here in the Northeast U.S., New England, and then after that, it can maybe a continuation of warmer, but then the European starts backing down here on the heat. But again, looks like it's going to get very, very warm middle and end of next week. And starting to highlight that in posts and stuff, and that's, again, part of this video, is to start getting out in front of this, saying that there's a real good potential for this to happen. Alright, take a look here at the drought monitor. Why, again, so insistent that it's going to get as hot as what the models have it, 95 to 105. You can see the drought here in eastern New England, eastern southern New England. This orange area here is severe drought. There's a lot of area here of abnormally dry in yellow, and then the orange here, the beige, is this area here. You can see the shading there is a moderate drought. So where this severe drought is, I think this is the highest area, and that's where the European has 100 to 105 degrees next Saturday and Sunday. I mean, and I like this because the feedback is the same. Where it is dry, it's going to get really, really hot if it wasn't so dry. So if there was a lot of water in the ground, it probably would not be getting as hot with this similar pattern. But because it's so dry, the air can heat really quickly, since there's less energy from the sun going into the ground, and there's more energy from the sun going into the air instead of the ground because it's so dry. So there's less water in the ground to be heated up. And over the next week, we're not going to see a lot of rain either. So next Thursday, when it's updated, while we're in the core of this heat wave, this severe drought may even get expanded, and maybe even potentially over the next couple of weeks, seeing how dry it's going to be, maybe even see some extreme drought, D3, develop in this severe drought area that we have currently. So this drought's going to persist over the next couple of weeks at least, and this drought is going to help the heat that gets going late next week. Thank you for watching.